evening everyone, Madonna here. It's Christmas time and a lot of people are having struggles getting through this Christmas season. So I just thought I'd do a quick little heart chakra meditation to help us all calm down, believe in ourselves, believe in our self-worth, and feel that we're meant to be here on the planet, sharing our love and goodwill with everyone around us. So, our heart chakra. It's about self-love, it's about self-worth, it's about self-belief. Breathe in love, breathe out negativity. What does love mean to you? Is family all about love? Or does family add extra complications that are really challenging at this time of year? For you, you need to find other positive ways to increase your self-worth, self-belief, if your family aren't the one to do that. The heart energy belongs to the fire element in Chinese medicine. The heart element is about that imbalance between love, joy and hate. So we can get caught up in things and feel resentful and angry and vindictive. And who else cops it more than our family? Just breathe in love, breathing out resentment, breathing out fear and anger. Feel your heart energy calming down. Feel the beauty and self-worth inside of you. Feel that love that's everywhere on the planet if we choose to find it. Who is in your world going into 2020 and beyond? Who adds to your life? Who adds to your self-worth, self-belief? We want to increase people in our world that make us feel happy and release those that aren't adding to our world. Here's to a happy Christmas for everyone on the planet. Breathe in the love and breathe out the negativity. Have a good one and sleep really well tonight. Take care.